Hi guys, today my topic is different, but it is wonderful and very important for anyone who studies English. First of all, I recommend you to read this book for enrich your mind in reading and in English. It is wonderful. It is a wonderful book. Reading, as we know, is very important. So I chose some books for you to read. They are famous books. They are old, and also some famous people or writers and authors in English. So I'm going to tell you about reading first. It's important because it develops our thoughts, gives us endless knowledge and lessons to read while keeping our minds active. Reading books can help us learn, understand, and makes us smarter, not to mention the knowledge, vocabulary only, expansion and thinking skills we develop. We read a good book today, for example, we know, all of us know the benefits of reading, like cognitive mental stimulation and the brain exercising, and it is a timeless form of entertainment and information. Reading helps with depression for us. If we are depressed, we can read. We will change our mood, and it strengthens your writing abilities too. So now I'm focusing on reading the names of the books. They will be very beneficial and very useful and very important for any lover of English. First of all, number one, Little Women by Louisa Alcott, American writer. The second book is Heidi. It is a book for children. Number three, Pilgrim's Progress. It is a famous novel. For myself, I read it before. Number four, La Fontaine's Fables. It was written by Jean de La Fontaine. He is, a French writer. The Jungle Book. Number five. Number six, Wild Animals. Number seven, The Story of Troy. 8, a poem, Iliad of Homer. Number 9, Aeneid poem, and number 10, Elizabethan Masque. Number 11, the story of Joseph and his brothers from the Holy Quran and from the Bible too. Number 12, Easter Book. Number 13, Macbeth and Hamlet. And all of the works of Shakespeare are wonderful and very, very beneficial for you. Don't forget to read all of the plays of Shakespeare. Tales from Shakespeare and the King Lear and okay. Number 10, I say number 16, I say Swinton's World History and Rip Van Winkle and the Rivals and some famous writers and poets like Wordsworth, Mark Twain, and Victor Hugo, and I say Whiteyear. All of these books are famous in English, so I recommend you to read all, and don't forget to read also a lot of poems and prose, and also read every book you find in English. You should read in order to be stronger in it. Thank you very, very much for listening. Goodbye.